Bruce, eat the bird.
Kawawa. Idol. Don't eat.
It's not animal cruelty.
Bird, ah.
Just eat it. It tastes like chicken.
Uy. Kawawa.
Just eat the bird. Then you'll get more energy. Here. Ross. Let me help you. Just eat the bird. There. Delicious. You like the bird?
What happened to your bird? A while ago it's alive. What happened? Why did it die? And then you took it there.
You're a carnivore, Bruce.
No, it's not even eating. What happened to the bird? Found it?
It's your treasure, Bruce.
What happened? It's dead.
Just eat it, Bruce. It's good for you.